This year, the seniors of Holy Names selected race as the topic to explore through Social Justice Committee. The statement that we drafted to guide our activities was, "We want to address the problem of racism because it is an overarching issue in our communities and nation and is often the root of other societal problems. Racism has divided our country for generations, and in order to solve it, we need to start a conversation." Our project propels us toward meeting the UN Sustainable Development Goal 16, promote just, peaceful, and inclusive societies. Feel. In order to better understand the topic of race, we engaged in a variety of research opportunities. Among them, we looked up issues of systemic racism. We listened to a podcast about the origins of whiteness. We hosted our history teacher to discuss how racism played a role in our housing codes here in Seattle. We watched several op-doc pieces addressing race from a variety of perspectives and followed it up with a day of class discussion. Finally, we invited a mother from our community to speak in each of our religion classes about her experiences of racism.
Imagine. After the feel stage, we engaged each of the senior classes in the process of brainstorming various projects that we could implement. There were many great ideas, from addressing the greater Seattle community and excessive use of force by police, to our smaller school community adding more assemblies that celebrate the diversity of our student body. Ultimately, we thought we could make a greater impact by addressing the needs of our immediate community and accepted the challenge of opening up more conversations about race here at school.
For our project, we decided to create a lesson plan to be shared in all religion classes. We wanted students to be thinking about how they can step in and speak up when a racially insensitive or inappropriate comment is made. So we went to draft scenarios that students could discuss in small groups and brainstorm how to step in. Drafting these scenarios was hard though, and we wanted the stories to be authentic. So we sent an email to upperclassmen asking them to share stories about race here at school. We then combined and adapted the stories to be used for discussion in class. Each student was impacted in different ways. Here are some post-lesson insights.
In our conversations, we learned how to use our white privilege to combat systemic racism. I enjoyed hearing the comments of my other classmates and how to deal with microaggression and how to stand up for yourself and others.
We had several opportunities to share our project throughout its stages. We shared our project with our school's parent board, board of trustees, faculty and staff, and the underclassmen in the auditorium. When students in the class were asked to describe our project in one word, they had a beautiful and diverse set of responses.
Unifying.
Thought-provoking.
Necessary.
Challenging.
Educational.
Empowering. Important.
Thank you to all that worked to open up this important discussion at our school.